And over the next few slides, we're going to be taking a look at the femoral artery, the femoral vein, and the femoral nerve. So the femoral artery travels the entire length of the adductor canal. And do you remember when we saw it in the femoral triangle? When it reaches the apex of the femoral triangle, and therefore the beginning of the adductor canal, it begins to travel more medially and distally through the adductor canal itself. In this image, the femoral artery is again highlighted in green, but now we can see its whole path through the thigh. And the vastus medialis and the other anterior compartment muscles have been removed. So what we can see is the posterior wall of the adductor canal, made by the adductor longus proximally and the adductor magnus distally. Over here we have the adductor hiatus, which means this is the end of the adductor canal, and the femoral artery passes through the adductor hiatus to the posterior aspect of the lower limb and becomes the popliteal artery within the popliteal fossa. So following the same path as the femoral artery is the structure we now see highlighted in green, which is the femoral vein. And in this image, the vastus medialis has been removed, and we can see the whole course of the femoral vein. It arises as it passes through the adductor hiatus from the popliteal vein, travels through the adductor canal and into the femoral triangle. The final two structures that travel within the adductor canal are branches of the femoral nerve. And as you can see in this image, the entire femoral nerve is highlighted in green. And we can see in the femoral triangle that the femoral nerve splits quite a lot as it gives off branches to innervate the anterior thigh muscles. And the branches of the femoral nerve that have to travel a greater distance to get to their final destinations travel through the adductor canal. The first branch is the one we can see highlighted in green just now, and this is the nerve to the vastus medialis. It travels along the vastus medialis within the adductor canal and gives off small branches to innervate that muscle along its length. The second branch of the femoral nerve that travels through the adductor canal is the saphenous nerve. We can now see that nerve highlighted in green. The saphenous nerve is a cutaneous sensory nerve that innervates the skin on the medial side of the leg, the ankle, and the foot. And once it passes through the adductor canal, it reaches the medial side of the lower limb and it travels superficially to reach the skin.
If you found this quick anatomy or physiology video helpful, you'll enjoy our video tutorials even more. Click on the button and you'll see what I mean. We have hundreds of videos available to our premium members, not to mention all the fun quizzes, complete articles, and atlas sections to solidify your knowledge. Click on the button in the middle to watch the full-length video and master anatomy and physiology.